Match number 12 it is. What a lovely drive first up. Wow, that is a fine shot from Benkenstein.
Straight to the gap. Starts off with a boundary.
Under lights. Just a little bit of curve, but it's overpitched again. Driven through the covers. The outfield's on the far side. The chase is on to no avail. Back-to-back boundaries. That's a wonderful start for Benkenstein.
Not to a player like Benkenstein anyway. Going towards the ball outside off stump.
He's hit that up in the air. Given a chance early, perhaps no. Just over the top. Oh, that's impetuous too.
Early wicket for the Royals, and this is unnecessary. We've had a good start. Benkenstein goes for 10. Gwadar Sharks, 12 for 1. And that's the wicket. He's actually given himself room going outside the leg stump. That's why the ball's just hit the toe end of the bat.
Posed to in the air. Bowled him, I think. No, LBW.
Yeah, that's crashing into the leg stump.
And that goes past the outside edge. There's an appeal from the bowler only. Not out, screams the umpire. Looked to go over the top, and he's hit it pretty well. Has he hit far enough? Just. They come back for 2. Slip in position as well. Wide slip, about a second, maybe even a third. That's good connection.
It's Mohammad Zishan. And the ball will go away nicely. That's well played. He's got...
Well, that's through. Threaded the needle for 4.
And there's lots of momentum for the batsman to work with. That's over pitch, but well played. Just opened the face at that last moment to thread it through the 2 fielders, who are quite close together actually.
Outside leg stump. Oh, that might be another one. Cries of catch it. This should be taken. Simple catch. Yep, that's another one. They've won the toss. The Royals.
Of the seam bowlers in the competition so far, that is a poor shot. Not short enough to be playing the pull. Simple catch for Shawaz.
Nothing behind. Over the top. That's going to scoot away for a boundary.
Just a release of the arms from Daniel Ibrahim. He's shown us that.
Oh, it's a nice drive. Very nice drive indeed.
On the surfaces that we're playing on, this will be put away with ease. Nicely played.
That's good. That's good. That's well done there by Ali.
Played it fine. It was going on the leg. Couple of runs there. Not happy at Nawab. We wanted Mohammad Zishan to dive for it.
Sets the base of your total. It was in the air for a moment around the point area. Eventually footwork works. They might come back for the 3rd and easily completed as well. That's in the air. This can be an opportunity. Should take it, and has.
And he has been using the crease a lot. This time trying to save the wicket because the bowler went for the wickets. All he could do was try to connect that ball. Couldn't connect very effectively. Good catch in the deep.
It's in the air. Oh, he's put it down. Oh, Ibrahim, the man who's trying to hold the innings together.
Out. May have dropped a catch earlier on in the...
Got an opportunity early in the over. This time he's just gifted an opportunity to Shawaz that extra cover.
LBW falls across. Nice sweep. Like that square sweep. Oh, good footwork. Good left foot there.
Change as well of his bowlers.
Pulled away in the gap. It's a good shot.
Since the drinks break. And it's not all that short, but as you say, because he's gone so far back into his crease.
Nice shot, I think. Tried to go over extra, great catch.
Pity, because it's a good shot. He just didn't manage to get it wide enough of Basit Ali at mid-off. That's a very, very good catch.
Oh, hesitation galore. Now.
Good collection by the bowler, Tayyab. Look at that, the collection. He was not behind the stumps, but from the angle where he could only see one stump, he did well.
That's going to be one area where they're going to be talking a lot about, I think, some of these teams. Just keeping a little bit low, but he's got enough bat on that to pick up a boundary. Yep.
Staying low now. The ball is staying low. It's the 5th innings on this pitch. 3rd match on the same pitch.
Bowled him. Off stump.
Going full and straight to the stumps. Rolling the fingers over as well. A big heave from the batter. Missing it completely.
Righto, what can they get to now, the Sharks? Underneath that. Right out of a sweet spot, and he's picked up a boundary.
When the Gwadar are 92 for 8, and he just produces a beautiful shot right from the middle of the bat over the mid-off fielder for 4 runs.
Oh, slow ball, almost got under the bat, just got enough on it to pick up 1. They're coming back for the 2nd, and that's good running. Throw's got to be absolutely spot on to stop 2 in that situation. They're winging it around at the moment. Come back for the 3rd. Good connection. Nice sound off the bat. 1 bounce, just almost 6.
A very good connection there. Mohammad Zishan going for that Yorker again. Faltered. It was a good length delivery in the end. Aftab Ahmed using the long levers.
Picked that up superbly. 6 runs off the first ball. That's it, a nice little marker.
Sajjad Ali going with the slow one on the first delivery of the over. It was a half tracker. An excellent execution there by Haseeb Nazim. They are giving themselves a real chance here, Gwadar Sharks.
Very impressive. Hard into the ground. They should try and come back to the 2nd. They think about it. Took a little bit of time before they turned. Big swing and a miss. 2 balls left. Driving down the ground. Just the 1 this time, I'm sure. Oops, slight slip. Enables them to get back for 2. That's good awareness. Last ball of the innings. And it's a good one to finish. They don't quite get to that 120 mark. It's going to be 120 to win. They finished in 119 for 8, which is overall got to be very disappointing for the Sharks.